In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect Microsoft Outlook in a quick and straightforward manner, focusing on the best practices for 2025. Now, before we dive in, it's important to understand that if you're using Microsoft 365 or Outlook.com, all your data is effectively tied to your Microsoft account. So securing that account is the first key step in ensuring that your Outlook data remains private and secure. First things first, you need to navigate over to the Microsoft security page. You can do this by entering the URL https://account.microsoft.com/security into your web browser. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in to your account. Make sure to use your current Microsoft credentials for this step, and it's always a good idea to ensure you're on a secure and trusted network when doing so. After successfully logging in, look for the section labeled Password Security. It's typically featured prominently because Microsoft understands the importance of keeping your password up to date. Click on Password Security to move forward. Within this section, you'll find the option to change password. Here, you will need to set a strong and unique password. A good practice is to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessed passwords like password23 or QWERTY. Instead, aim for something complex yet memorable. For instance, you could create a mnemonic or use the first letters of an easy-to-remember phrase mixed with some numbers and symbols. Now, once you've updated your password to something that's both strong and secure, you have an optional but highly recommended additional step. Consider enabling two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Essentially, two-step verification means that even if someone has your password, they would also need access to a second device, typically your smartphone or email, to access your account. To enable this, simply navigate to the security settings, and you should see the option for two-step verification. Follow the prompts to set it up, usually involving verifying a phone number or an alternate email address. Remember, while setting up these security features does take a bit of time now, it provides a significant increase in protection for your personal and work data in the future. Plus, peace of mind is priceless, especially in today's digital age where security concerns are increasingly prevalent. And there you have it. You've successfully password protected your Outlook through securing your Microsoft account. Stay tuned for more useful guides, and thank you for watching.